front door right here in this hallway. And then like in this hallway too, we have the mini fridge. And then we have these treats or whatever that you could choose to pay for. And then in here, we have the mini fridge, house wine. I added the bag, but you got those right here. So that's all in this hallway. Keep on coming into the room. And then we have the bathroom. So here's the room. Big room, nice and long. This one has 2 beds, got the wooden panel all the way onto the ceiling. Come see the full room from here. Very big, very long. And then we got the TV. Got our closet here. The robe is in the bathroom. Dark wood accents, a little bag that you could take with yourself. This is a chair that spins a bit. I like that chair a lot. Then we got another chair right here to sit in. And this particular room's on the top floor. So we have a view out there. If you can see it, there's the short north. There's kind of the city, you can't really see, but yeah, this is the room. Big, nice and long room.